नमस्ते बिटिया, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। I am Dr. Bharat Sharma, Assistant Professor, Department of Pathology, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. In this practical session, we will learn about gram staining. Now, principle of gram staining. When the bacteria is stained with primary stain crystal violet and fixed by the mordant, some of the bacteria are able to retain the primary stain and some are decolorized by alcohol. The cell walls of gram-positive bacteria have a thick layer of protein-sugar complexes called peptidoglycan and lipid content is low. Decolorizing the cell causes this thick cell wall to dehydrate and shrink, which closes the pores in the cell wall and prevents the stain from exiting the cells. So the ethanol cannot remove the crystal violet iodine complex that is bound to the thick layer of peptidoglycan of gram-positive bacteria and appears blue or purple in color. In case of gram-negative bacteria, cell wall also take up the crystal violet iodine complex, but due to thin layer of peptidoglycan and thick outer layer which is formed of lipids, crystal violet iodine complex get washed off. When they are exposed to alcohol, decolorizer dissolves the lipid in the cell walls, which allow the crystal violet iodine complex to leach out of the cells. Then when again stained with the safranin, they take the stain and appear in red in color. Reagents used in gram staining. First is crystal violet, which is the primary stain. Iodine, which is the mordant. A decolorizer made of acetone and alcohol. Safranin is used for the counter stain. Procedure of gram staining. Take a clean, grease-free glass slide. Prepare the smear of suspension on the clean slide with a loop full of samples. Air dry and heat fix it. Crystal violet was poured and kept for about 30 seconds to 1 minute and rinse it with the water. Flood the grams iodine for 1 minute and wash with water. Then wash with 95% alcohol or acetone for about 10 to 20 seconds and rinse again with water. Add safranin for about 1 minute and wash with water. Air dry, blow dry and observe under the microscope. Interpretation. This is how a gram-positive bacteria look under microscope after staining process. And this is how gram-negative bacteria look under microscope after process of gram staining. Now gram-positive bacteria commons are Actinomyces, Bacillus, Clostridium, Corynebacterium, Enterococcus, Gardnerella, Lactobacillus, Listeria, Mycoplasma, Nocardia, Staphylococcus, Streptococcus, and Streptomyces. Gram-negative bacteria are Escherichia coli, also known as E. coli, Salmonella, Shigella, and other Enterobacteriaceae, Pseudomonas, Moraxella, Helicobacter, Cyanotrophomonas, Bdelloviria, acetic acid bacteria, and Legionellas. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. I hope you all enjoyed this session. If you have any query, please mention it in comment box. Thank you.